Now then folks, day 3 of the canoe trip and we're up Ross Castle. You might see the guys behind us. We've been paddling for an hour or so again. So we're going to actually hit civilization again. We've got somebody new with us as well. Martin, I believe, in one of them collapsible canoes of some description. Going backwards. So folks, camera technique. There we go. So folks, Ross Castle. Been paddling hard, so we're looking forward to a brew. Apparently there was one here, and then we're going to go to Inishfallen Island, so I might do a video around the castle, but we'll see how we go. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.